Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Renaissance Mom. In this video, I will be showing you how to design this blue bird. I will be making this design a print and cut image. To begin, I'm going to start with 3 circles. I will be getting 2 circles and will put one on top of the other to start forming the tail for the bird. Once I have the tail, I will be putting it on top of this circle. I will rotate the shape and move it until I find the right place for it. After it is set, I will be highlighting both images and will weld them together. After welding both images, I will be modifying the shape to make it look like the bird's body. Then, I will change the color. The next shape is going to be a circle, which I will be using to make an eye. A star will be the next shape. It will help me to create a beak for the bird. I will be rotating it and modifying it to find the shape that I'm looking for. A heart is what I'll be using next to help me design a wing. The next shape will be a square. I will be modifying the shape to help me design the legs. Next, I will be duplicating the black circle from earlier to help me design the feet for the bird. Once I'm done with the design, I'm going to highlight it and then flatten it. Then I'm going to click on Make It. And here's the design, ready to be print and cut. I will be showing you how to make this crown design. All you need is 3 triangles and 3 circles, and this is how. If you're new, click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will know each time I put up a new video. See you next time!